The Bengal tiger, scientifically known as Panthera tigris, is one of the most iconic and majestic creatures in the animal kingdom. A powerful predator that has long been admired and feared as the true monarch of the jungle. Native to the Indian subcontinent, the Bengal tiger is the most numerous of all tiger subspecies. Though still endangered, with an estimated population of around 2,500 individuals remaining in the wild, with its muscular build, sharp senses, and striking orange coat adorned with bold black stripes. The Bengal tiger has become a symbol of strength, courage, and raw beauty, not only in its native lands but across the world. An adult male Bengal tiger can weigh between 400 and 500 pounds and measure up to 10 feet in length, including the tail, making it one of the largest big cats on Earth. Females are smaller, but equally agile and formidable. Their stripes are unique to each individual, like human fingerprints, and provide excellent camouflage in the dappled light of forests and tall grasses, where they stalk their prey. The powerful jaws, long canine teeth, and retractable claws of the tiger make it perfectly designed for hunting, while its muscular body allows it to sprint short distances with explosive speed. The Bengal tiger is a solitary and territorial predator, spending much of its life alone. Except during mating or when a tigress is raising cubs, its territory can span dozens of square miles, marked with scent and claw scratches on trees to warn rivals to stay away. Unlike lions, which rely on group cooperation, the tiger hunts alone, using stealth and patience to ambush prey. It moves silently through forests, wetlands, and grasslands, often approaching within 20 or 30 feet before launching a sudden, powerful attack. With a burst of speed and immense strength, the tiger brings down prey such as deer, wild boar, water buffalo, and even young elephants or rhinos in rare cases. Once it has secured its kill, the tiger drags the carcass to a secluded spot, sometimes covering it with leaves to return to later. A single meal may sustain the tiger for days. Despite its image as a fearsome hunter, the Bengal tiger is also highly vulnerable. Cubs are born blind and helpless after a gestation period of about 100 days. Usually in litters of 2 to 4, they remain dependent on their mother for food and protection for up to 2 years. During this time, the tigress is fiercely protective, teaching her young to stalk, hunt, and survive in a challenging environment. Mortality rates among cubs are high, with threats ranging from starvation and disease to attacks by leopards, wild dogs, or even rival tigers. Those that survive grow into independent hunters, dispersing to find their own territories. The habitat of the Bengal tiger is diverse, ranging from the mangrove forests of the Sundarbans, where they are strong swimmers, to the grasslands and tropical forests of India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. This adaptability has allowed them to survive in varied environments, but human encroachment has drastically reduced their range. Once widespread across Asia, tigers now occupy only a fraction of their former territory. The main threats to Bengal tigers are habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. Poachers hunt tigers for their skins, bones, and other body parts, which are highly valued in illegal wildlife trade and traditional medicine. Meanwhile, as human settlements expand into tiger habitats, encounters become more frequent, often resulting in the death of tigers or livestock, and fueling negative perceptions. Conservation efforts have been ongoing for decades, with India leading the way through initiatives like Project Tiger, established in 1973 to protect tigers and their habitats. Thanks to protected reserves, anti-poaching patrols, and awareness campaigns, the Bengal tiger population has shown signs of recovery in some areas. However, the battle is far from over, as pressures from deforestation, poaching networks, and climate change remain constant challenges. The Sundarbans population, for instance, faces the additional threat of rising sea levels, which are reducing mangrove habitats. Ecologically, Bengal tigers are crucial as apex predators, maintaining balance in their ecosystems by regulating prey populations, Without tigers, herbivore numbers could grow unchecked, leading to overgrazing and damage to forests. By protecting tigers, conservationists also protect countless other species that share the same habitats, making the tiger not just a symbol of wild beauty but also a keystone for biodiversity. Culturally, the Bengal tiger holds a place of reverence and awe. In Indian mythology and folklore, it has long been associated with power and divine strength. Often depicted as the mount of gods and goddesses, the tiger is also the national animal of India and Bangladesh, embodying pride and identity for millions of people. In literature, films, and art, the tiger's image is used to evoke mystery, wilderness, and untamed majesty. For local communities living near tiger reserves, the animal inspires both respect and fear, a reminder of the thin line between human civilization and the wild. In conclusion, the Bengal tiger is more than just a predator. It is a living symbol of nature's power, resilience, and vulnerability. Its survival depends not only on its own strength, but also on the choices humans make about conservation and coexistence. To save the tiger is to save forests, rivers, and ecosystems that sustain life for countless species, including humans. The Bengal tiger's future hangs in a delicate balance, but with continued efforts, awareness, and respect, this striped monarch of the jungle can continue to roam the forests of Asia, embodying the raw beauty and strength of the natural world for generations to come.